So, Gina, what are you going to get me for my birthday again?
I'm gonna get I'm gonna get a
What are you going to get me?
bike.
For me?
Daddy.
What are you going to get again?
And I'm gonna get a princess dress for you.
A princess dress? Do I look like I wear a princess dress?
Yeah.
Huh?
That's good.
What?
I can get that for your birthday.
Really, huh? What am I going to do with a princess dress?
You can wear it.
Oh, really? Really, huh? You think it's funny?
Yeah.
I'm going to get you a princess dress.
No, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you a coconut.
Okay, get me a coconut. I'd rather have a coconut than a princess dress.
Okay, I can get it.
Lena,
Okay.
what are you going to get me for my birthday?
Birthday, Nina, birthday.
Lena already had her birthday. You remember you cried on your second birthday?
Hey,
Huh?
really?
What are you going to get?